Swagatam. How are you all? Fine? I hope so. Today we will learn how to scale our model. For this purpose we will use Scale Tool. First of all, let me draw a cuboid. I will use Scale Tool over it. This is the icon of Scale Tool. You can see a small brown rectangle and a red arrow showing that it gets enlarged to this white rectangle. Before selecting this tool, I need to select the area over which I wish to use this Scale Tool. First of all, I will use this over a single face. So I am selecting this face. Now select Scale Tool. You can see 8 green points, and using these points you can scale this particular face. Actually, not only this face, scaling will take place with other faces also, but that will only be the outcome of scaling of this face. You can scale this face uniformly about opposite point. Width and height both changes, but opposite point doesn't change its position. You can green scale it about opposite point. In this case, only height of the face will change. Similar to this, you can also red scale it about opposite point. It will affect the width only. What if you want to scale it about center point? Hold down your control key and now you can scale it about center point uniformly. The same thing applies while scaling more than one face. Here I am selecting the whole cuboid and I will use Scale Tool over it. There are total 26 points now. You can use these corner points to uniformly scale your model about opposite point. You can use the points at the middle of the edges to scale your model in a plane about opposite point. You can scale it along x, y, z or z axis. The points at the middle of the faces are used to scale the model along any one axis. Again, if you want to scale it about its center, then hold Ctrl key and drag. That's all about Scale Tool. We have tried our best to make these videos as short as possible so that there should not be waste of time in telling long stories. Next tool is Offset tool and we will discuss it in next video. Bye bye.